yesterday, there was some semblance of calm today on the Lal Street. Let's talk about the Nifty first. That swung between the red and the green, but in a narrow band. It did finally end with marginal gains, going up by about 11 points in trade and a tad above 7,600. In fact, just 14 points above 7,600. Sensex, that saw meager gains of just 17 points. So in the end, it looked like it was a sluggish day for the blue chips. The mid caps, they punched there above their weight. The index gained nearly 1% in trade. Anuj Singhal standing by to decode today's market action. Over to you, Anuj.
Yeah, quite a bit of bipolar nature of trade today. The index didn't do much. In fact, it was that kind of a day where there was a bit of a consolidation. But you'll have to say positive consolidation given that we had a really bad day yesterday. So there was some bit of recovery. But the problem for this market is that sentiment got a bit hurt, bit hit yesterday, and after that, at higher levels, there is going to be a bit of a problem. But no problem for mid caps at all. In fact, the mid cap index today surged. A lot of stocks hit life highs, and the advanced decline ratio was also about close to 3:1. In terms of stocks that gained ground today, you had Tata Motors, Larsen & Toubro, and Sun Pharma. All these stocks were higher in trade today, about 1 to 2% in trade. Metal stocks also did well, so stocks like Tata Steel, Hindalco, JSW Steel, big surge in some of them, led of course by Tata Steel. Some other nifty stocks that were in prominence today included stocks like Infosys, that was down about 1.5%. In fact, was the biggest drag on the index. And some problem for ICICI and Axis Bank this week. Both of them have been down about 6 to 7% for the week. But really, it's about a lot of mid-cap stocks. Look at the surge that we had in some stocks. That's new highs. Heidelberg Cement, VIP, and Havells. All of them hit new 52-week highs. In certain cases, life highs in today's trade. Some other stocks where we saw big gains included Shrey Infra up 10%, Century Textiles as well up 10%, and India Cements up about 6%. And some of these are really large mid-caps. And finally, some more gainers. In fact, this list is very long. So you have stocks like HCC, Uttam Sugar, Kesoram, up anywhere between 9 to 18%. So must say that it was a good day for traders because yes, the index may not have reflected that, but at individual stock level, there was a lot of money to be made today.
Okay, so that's the action today from the Lal Street. Thanks, Anuj, for joining us with that. Adrian